you want to impress your family and friends with a rich, creamy, and elegant shrimp Alfredo, in just under 30 minutes, you'll be enjoying this restaurant-style American-Italian one-pot meal. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram to see my other 30-minute meal ideas and one-pot favorites. To make this simple, creamy shrimp Alfredo, I'm using 2 to 2.5 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp, 1 pound or 16 ounces of fettuccine pasta, 2 cups of grated parmesan cheese, and I'll use 1.5 cups for the Alfredo sauce and the other half for serving. I'm also using some good quality butter, salt, some white pepper, paprika, both regular and smoked, and my favorite spice blend that has some black pepper, garlic, and red pepper. Some cream cheese, and this makes the sauce extra creamy. 2 cups of heavy cream, and you can use evaporated milk as a substitute. I'm also using some garlic, parsley, and some red pepper flakes. Pat the shrimp dry and season with the spices. Since I'm a Caribbean girl and I love heat, I decided to kick it up a notch with some of this Scotch bonnet pepper powder. Mix well and let it marinate for a few minutes. Add the fettuccine pasta to a pot of boiling water and let it cook until al dente. 12 minutes is usually a good time, but use your package instructions because various brands and types of pasta require different cooking times. Now let's pan fry the shrimp. I'm adding some butter and oil to the cast iron pan on medium-high heat, and once it's hot, I'll add the shrimp in. Let it simmer for about 1.5 minutes on each side and take it out the pan. If you want the shrimp to get some color, fry it a little bit longer, but just remember that might overcook it a little bit. Once the shrimp are cooked, you can go ahead and make the Alfredo sauce in the same pan. My pan was a bit too small, so I just decided not to. It's been 12 minutes and the pasta is perfectly cooked. I'm reserving about 1 cup of the pasta water and I'll drain the rest. To the pot, I'm adding some oil, some more butter, and the chopped garlic. I like adding the garlic to the cold oil and butter because the flavor gets infused and it makes the dish even more delicious. Let the garlic gently sizzle on a medium-low heat for 5 minutes. Now add the cream cheese, the heavy cream, and the pasta water and whisk properly. Bring it to a low simmer for about 5 minutes. Did you know that authentic Alfredo sauce is made with simply butter, pasta water, and Parmesan cheese? That's my preferred way of making it, but sometimes I crave that intense richness from the heavy cream and the cream cheese. Now add the Parmesan cheese and whisk until it melts and the sauce starts to thicken. Add the pasta and season with some white pepper, salt, and some red chili flakes. Turn the heat off now and add the shrimp. Finish with some fresh or dried parsley, and this amazingly creamy shrimp Alfredo is ready to be devoured. Since you can't go to a fancy restaurant, then bring the restaurant to you. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the photo I posted and a lot of you requested the recipe. Hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe and follow to see all the latest videos. Until next time, keep well and stay safe and healthy.